Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, TutoRealm. And what I'm about to show you in this guide is about how you can add a tab in a group on Chrome. So what it means is that while you are on using a tab, you can use it on more than one. So I'll show you guys, and it would better show you what I'm trying to say. First off, you're gonna open your Chrome like this. Now let's say if I long press on this picture, and right here if I click on open a new tab and group, and in this line you can click on this right here, see, so this would open another tab in the group. Make sure this video helped you to like, comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more such amazing updates and content. Till then, gracias.